At all, as you see, dark in here, and today's video we have two pieces of LED projection lights, car logo for Alfa Romeo Giulia. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So here's our box. I will put the link in the description. Now let's open it up. So I've opened the package. So here we have two LED projectors. So this should be plug and play. So for this tool only need is this tool or something similar. So the beauty is outside. Let's go outside and let's mount this to the door, so stay tuned. So here is our Giulia. Here down below is our light. So you simply act like this and it should be off. But the cable is just short, so I will use two hands to do this, so stay tuned. So I've moved to the passenger doors. As you can see, the cable is short, so you have to be very careful. So this is the original one and this is not broken. The driver's doors is broken, so you simply put it, you see here, I'm gonna see it, and then you simply click it on the place. Let me use two hands, and you simply put it like this, and now we cannot see nothing, but I will be back when it get a little darker, so stay tuned. So just a reminder, the cable is short, so this is the connector, so you must be very careful to not put him in. So let's change this one, and that's all. And one useful tip here, you see this white tooth, you need to push it in. So you will push it like in here and you will release the connector. So let's go. So like I told you, the connector is, the wires are short in my case, so be very careful. And that's it. And now you simply push them in like this and just click it. And that's all. And when it will be dark, I'll be back. So I'm back. Let's now see how this LED projectors works. Wow, and they are beautiful, very nice. And let's check the other side. So this is the driver's side, very nice. I'm very happy, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. That's the Dark out. Bye.